Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World, and today we're going to do the review of the Apple AirTag, which is starting at $29 and ending at $99. Starting price is 129 dirhams or 100 dirhams when we round out. So let's get on with the review.
So as TechWorld has told, the AirTag is in US dollars. It's for around $29 and ending as a $999. So AirTag is a super easy way to keep track of your stuff. Attach one to your keys, slip another to your backpack, and just like that, they are on your radar in Find My app. Where you keep that, you can also track down your Apple devices and keep up with your friends and family. So this AirTag has a use of that. AirTag, if you keep it, you can like if you're keeping something in your, like you're misplacing something in your wallet, or like you lose that, you lose your wallet or you use your bag, you can just find through a radar where your purse is or your cover is or everything is. So misplacing something like a misplacing something like your wallet doesn't have to be a big deal when it has an AirTag attached to it. You can play a sound on the built-in speaker by going to the new items in tab my in the tab in the tab in the Find My app. So if it's like hiding nearby somewhere in your house, you can just put a sound in that AirTag, which like you can play that if you're like I don't know where it is and you have lost it somewhere inside the house. You can just play that sound and you can go like you can go find it where the sound is. So it might be hiding under the couch or in the next room, so you can just follow the sound and search it over. Now let's go to the cold, warmer and hotter. You know that.
Cold, warm, warmer, hot. So AirTag is nearby. Your iPhone can lead you straight to it with the precision finding. You will see the distance to your AirTags and the directions you head in, all thanks to the ultra wide band of the technology. This precision finding compatible. It's compatible with iPhone 11, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 11 Pro Max, 12 Mini, and 12. Get by with a little help from the hundreds of millions of friends where you have left something far behind, in the place of office or somewhere. The Find My network, hundreds of millions of iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices around the world helps track down your AirTag, and it's designed to protect your privacy every step of the way. Also, how does this work? So your AirTag sensor is secure Bluetooth a signal that can be detected by nearby devices in the Find My network. And these devices can send the location of your AirTag to the iCloud. Then you can go to the Find My app and see it on the map. And also the whole process is anonymous and encrypted to protect your privacy, and it's efficient. So there's no worry about your battery life or data usage.
So like lost mode makes finding things easier, even easier. So as I told, just like your other Apple devices, like AirTag can be put into lost mode. Then what when it is detected by a device in the network, you will automatically get a notification. You can also set it to so someone can get to your contact info by tapping your AirTag with NFC cable smartphone. That's the same technology that lets people pay for their things with their phone.
So privacy is built in, and only you can see where the AirTag is and your location and the data histories and you are never stored on the AirTag itself. Devices that relay the location of the AirTag also stay anonymous, and the location data is encrypted every step of the way. So not even the Apple knows the location of the AirTag or the identity of the device that helps it find. And also, it's beautifully simple. A one tap setup instantly connects your AirTag with your iPhone or iPad. Enter a name of for your AirTag, attach it to the item, and you want to track it. You are good to go. Want AirTag notification on your Apple Watch too? No problem. You can enable the notification for the AirTag. whenever you find the misplaced items. Can't hear.
Sorry, pardon me. The long live the battery. So AirTag is designed to keep more than a year on a standard battery. You can easily replace it, and your iPhone lets you know when it's time to pop in a new one. And it can also be water resistant because AirTag is a water resistant. And let's say you have tagged your keys and oops and dropped them in a puddle, or they are in a path of colossal spill. Hey, that's okay because your AirTag is water resistant. So for the initial it and emoji it. So when you buy your AirTag from apple.com or Apple Store app, you can have a pardon me, personalized with your initials and emoji or both. It's free and easy, and it adds some fun. And you can use AR to see it from every angle. So like open this page using Safari on your phone or iPad. You can also have more color, more fun, and more use. That means you can have different colors for it, different tags for it. You can have even customized air tags too. It's easy to attach air tag to just anything about with the colorful key. Rings, loops from Apple. AirTag comes individually or in a 4 pack. So now, uh, let's go to the next one.
AirTag, which is also Hermes and a partnership based on the meticulous craftsmanship and shared value continues. Three handmade leather pieces are there, like cage tag, bag, charm, and a key ring. Each come with an exclusive AirTag Hermes etched with the iconic Logo D series signature. Is the form and function at their finest. And the AirTag specifications that are free contact lens, less delivery on orders over 200 ADs and free returns. See the checkout for delivery dates. You can get help buying, and if you have a call, have a question, you can call a specialist or chat online for inquiries or questions on this 8400 444 for all the queries or questions.
So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and press the notification button, and so you guys will be notified if we send a new video. And also, one more thing, if you guys do, there is a free contactless delivery on over 200 dirhams. You can also have free returns, and you guys also have to check out for the delivery dates. So as you guys know, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and press the notification button so you guys will be notified if we send a new video. And don't forget to turn on the notification, and that to this channel. You can see the call over here. Over here, it's over here. That's it. That's it. So you guys have to turn on the notification and tell your friends to do that. Also subscribe, like, comment, and share, and press the notification button. Tell your friends to do that also. If you press the notification button, you guys will be notified if we send a new video, and we will see you in the next video. The wrap and a whoop, and we will see you. Bye bye.
Bye.